Free price action trading guidance, round 3, day 8. The account has grown nearly 28 times within 10 hours of continuous trading. It is now 6:35 a.m. April 1st, Vietnam time. On the screen is the M5 timeframe chart, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and I again have time to record videos for 2 consecutive days. Today's market looks quite similar to yesterday. Price is moving within the resistance zone of the highest high, and this narrow range is clearly showing signs of accumulation. And this is an entry setup that I use very often. Price drops sharply, touches the trend line, and then stalls. The candle still closes above or very close to the trend line. The next candle is a bullish candle, but pay attention. The body is small, the upper wick is longer than the body, and even longer than the lower wick. Overall, it looks very weak. I don't feel confident, so I decide to wait for the next candle to see where price wants to go. If I buy at this moment, I feel uneasy afterward. What is going on here? The setup is correct and price moves exactly according to the method, but I still do not enter the trade. If I had entered, it would have been a good trade with up to 2R profit. It's only the start of the Asian session and there are already wick sweeps like this. It's really difficult to read price action. This candle sweeps liquidity right back to the closing area of the previous bullish candle, creating a very clear liquidity box, and it is also a bullish pin bar. This time, I can't avoid buying. It's a bit risky because the stop loss is rather far, but being far also means it is less likely to be swept, right? A bullish candle. Price has broken the accumulation zone, but is still hovering around the top area. It may be aiming for the next all-time high. But even after the breakout, I think the bullish momentum is still not very strong. Price sweeps the wicks and then closes around the same level for 3 candle zones. And after that it drops, even lower than the previous lower wicks. This is clearly a sign that sellers are defending the top. We will take a sell trade to catch this downward move. That stop loss hit earlier was clearly a stop hunt. So here are a few small exercises for you. Analyze the price action at this top area. Which signs confirm that the stop hunt is over and that price is truly preparing to drop? Can we take advantage of that to enter a trade? What are the opportunities? What are the risks? For this sell trade, since price has not yet closed below the support that pushed price up at the green arrow, I accept placing a slightly wider stop loss. In return, the chance to reach a farther take profit and higher profit is better, right? And officially, I will provide Backcom trading fee rebates for you even higher than 100% under Exness's highest diamond tier. So what does higher than 100% mean? Those who register Backcom with me not only receive 100% of their daily trading fee rebates, but are also invited to a channel to receive answers to the exercises in each video. If you have already joined Backcom but haven't entered the channel yet, please contact me right away. This channel will help you improve your knowledge, enhance your market analysis skills, and clearly know whether you have understood and done the exercises correctly. Don't let your trading fees be wasted every day. Contact me now. I'm ready and happy to support you. Next, this pin bar is exactly like the previous pin bar that I bought before, but this one is much larger, so I buy immediately. There has already been a wick sweep into the lower support zone, so I place the stop loss below it. Take profit is simple. 2R is the easiest target to hit. price reaches the Fibonacci 50 and 61.8 levels and then immediately turns down, so it can only be heading toward the 1.2 level of the Fibonacci trend base. I have to close the buy trade and switch it to a sell trade. And remember to place the stop loss above the Fibonacci 50 zone. I almost got stopped out. See? Placing it too close makes it easy to lose the trade. After drawing this descending trend line, I feel more confident about the current sell trade. You can see that the market still wants to continue going down. It drops sharply and then stalls. The next candle is a bad candle, but it closes back inside the support zone. It even closes below the wick, showing that the buyers are not strong, so we can keep the sell trade. Don't close it too early. It's really frustrating. If I hadn't closed the sell and switched back to buy earlier, I could have caught 2 more trades. My performance today is really worse, guys. I feel that I traded poorly today. Has anyone experienced the same situation? See, earlier it was dropping, now it rises strongly and stalls, and then there is another bearish engulfing candle. There is a high chance it will continue to drop. I hope it will reach the 1.2 zone of the Fibonacci trend base. After 10 hours of continuous trading, why is price still consolidating like this? Alright, I'll close the trade. My back is really tired. Maybe I should stop trading for now to stabilize my mindset. Today is truly a day when I feel I traded very poorly. I don't know whether it's because of me or because the market is too unpredictable. Please leave your thoughts for me. Why do I always show you the trade history directly on the chart like that? Because trade history shown as text and numbers can be easily programmed or edited, but trade history on the chart is much harder because the chart keeps moving continuously. Faking it to match moving candles would probably drive you crazy. I am the 10-hour trader, helping you trade better.